unofficial spokesperson, I feel pity for him that he is going and filing a complaint against our candidate and taking a press conference as an unofficial spokesperson who has already betrayed the constitution by doing a defection, and he has gone for his personal gains. So such type of people are saying that he is anti-national, he is speaking anti-national. I want to ask that person who has taken a press conference, do you even understand this guy has got 26 years of his life for saving this country? He is a war veteran. And these people who are sitting for that press conference, before making such statement and before saying that he doesn't believe in constitution, I think they should go and stand one day on the borders. एक दीस वचा आणि पहिली या देशाची रक्षा करपाक बॉर्डरचेर पहिली उभे रावता. आज काँग्रेस पक्ष आमचे सगळे लीडर जे आज हे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन आमचे संविधान राखपाचो जो आम्ही आज आमचो प्रयत्न चल्ला, संविधान राखपा लागून आज जे इलेक्शन लढता, हे इलेक्शन जे चल्ला, तुम्ही आमकां शिकयतले संविधानाचेर. सो म्हाका दिसता वी कंडेम द प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स आणि जी आज घेतल्या आणि जी पळय आणि कंप्लेन फायल केल्या त्या कंप्लेनीक अर्थूच ना. ताणें अशें ते अनकॉन्स्टिट्युशनल काय उलोवंकूच ना. सो म्हाका दिसता हो एक षडयंत्र बीजेपीचो की गोंयच्या जनतेक फटोवप, गोंयच्या जनतेक मिसगायड करप आणि जे कोर इश्यू आसात ताचेर आमच्या कॅन्डिडेटान चॅलेंज केल्ली. मरे मुख्यमंत्र्याक चॅलेंज केल्या आणि बीजेपीच्या सगळ्या मंत्र्यांक आणि अध्यक्षाक चॅलेंज केला की यो आणि ओपन डिबेट करूया म्हणून. जे आज इश्यू आसात, जे आज अनएम्प्लॉयमेंटाचो इश्यू आहा, प्रायस रायजाचो इश्यू आहा, डेथ्स ऑन रोडाचेर इश्यू आसा, म्हारगायेचेर इश्यू हाचेर डिबेट करूया मरे. गेल्ली 10 वर्सां तुम्ही आमचो देश काबार केलो, 10 वर्सां तुम्ही आमच्या देशाक फाटल्यान व्हेले, हाचेर उलयात. लोकांचे स्टेटमेंट चेंज करून ताका तोडून मोडून वाय आर यू ट्रायंग टू मिसगायड द पीपल ऑफ द स्टेट. जेन्ना तुम्ही वाठारांनी भोंवतात, जेन्ना तो सांगता फर्स्ट राउंड जालो, सेकंड राउंड जालो, कितें विचारले तुमकां? जेन्ना तुम्ही मिडिया भावांनी जेन्ना कॅन्डिडेटाक प्रश्न जेन्ना विचारलो तेन्ना तिणें सुद्दां सांगलें मरे, ग्राउंड सेंटिमेंट तिणें सांगलें की वचत थंय लोक आज अनएम्प्लॉयमेंटाचेर उलयतात, विचारतात तिका. वचत थंय आज एज्युकेशनाचेर विचारतात, वचत थंय आज महिला सशक्तीकरणाचेर विचारतात. हे आमी सांगू ना, हे तुमच्याच कॅन्डिडेटान सांगला. हाचो अर्थ कितें? हाचो अर्थ इज व्हेरी क्लियर की गोंयच्या जनतेक हे जे कोर इश्यू आसात ते तुमच्या कॅन्डिडेटाक विचारतात. आता आमकां कळून आयला की आता प्रधानमंत्री खंय आमच्या कॅन्डिडेटाच्या बॉर्डरीन त्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचेर थंय येवपा, हे आता जस्ट आमी आयकलां. म्हणजे ते एका वटेच्यान इतले भिल्या की तांचो पराभव हो तांकां कळ्ळा की निश्चित आहा म्हणून तांचो आता प्रधानमंत्री बी थंय येता. कित्याक ताच्या स्वताच्या मतदारसंघात पळय जो खंय तो रावता तो थंय हँडसम आज मेजॉरिटी घेवपाचो आता लीड इन हिज कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी. सो म्हाका दिसता असले बीजेपीन राजकारणात तुम्ही आसात, पॉलिटिक्स करता सारखे करा, इश्यूचेर मुद्द्याचेर उलयात. कितें बेश्टें काडलें ताका तोडलें मोडलें आणि सेन्सेशन करूं नाका. फुडल्या सुवातेर मागता की आमचे उमेदवार कॅप्टन बिरियाटो फर्नांडीस हांणी जे कितें उलयल्लें ताचेर क्लॅरिफिकेशन ते दितले.
आमचे पार्टी अध्यक्ष बाब अमित पाटकर, साऊथ गोवाचे कॅम्पेन इन्चार्ज आणि केपीचे एमएलए बाब एल्टन डिकॉसा, टीएमसीचे स्पोक्सपर्सन बाब जयेश शेणगांवकर आणि आमचे सगळे मिडियाचे बाब सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं तुम्ही आयज आयले म्हण. हांव केन्ना प्रेस नोट वाचिना, पण हो प्रेस नोट आमी आयज सकाळी रिलीज केल्लो, रिबटिंग ऑल वॉट चीफ मिनिस्टर आणि भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे ट्राय टू ट्विस्ट अँड टर्न. आणि आता आम्ही हेडिंगूच दिले, डोंट ट्विस्ट अँड टर्न माय वर्ड फॉर पॉलिटिकल गेन, लेट अस हॅव ओपन डिबेट. हे आम्ही चॅलेंज केले. मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत, whatever I have spoken yesterday, in what context, at what place, it is in public domain. आणि हांव चॅलेंज करता चीफ मिनिस्टराक आनी ताची जे टीम आसा पळय ती, you choose the date, choose the time, choose the place. I am ready to come and debate. Not only on the murder of constitution, what you are trying, also on crime, law and order problem, unemployment. crime against women, trilinear projects, destruction of our environment. असे खूपशे मुद्दे आसात. ड्रग्स, मर्डर, रेप्स, हे सगळे मुद्दे हांव परते परते विचारता. हे परते परते तांकां विचारता पूण दे आर रेटर्ड. Wherever we are going, we are getting a positive, tremendous response. And तांचे intelligence and तांकां सांगला. They are getting rattled and ह्या खातीर they are trying to pick selectively some words from my speech yesterday, twist, turn and try to divert the focus of the people. जे मुद्द्याचेर आमी आयज हायलाइट केल्या पळय. In fact, आमी इवन आमचो जेन्ना मॅनिफेस्टो लॉन्च केलो 2 दीस पयलीं, ऑल जे मुद्दे आयज गोंयान अफेक्ट जाता बिकॉज ऑफ द मिसरूल ऑफ दिस गव्हर्मेंट, हे सगळे दे डोंट नो हाऊ टू आन्सर बिकॉज 10 वर्सांनी आमी काबार करून उडयला गोंय. सेकंडली, वेन वी से अबाउट अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, हे कोणे सांगला अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट इज द हायेस्ट इन द कंट्री. गोंयचे अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट इज द हायेस्ट. हे नीति आयोग हेडेड बाय द प्रधानमंत्री, हे ताणें डिक्लेअर केले. हाचेर ताणें जबाब दिवचो. जशें आमचे अध्यक्षान सांगला, पीपल आर आस्किंग देअर कॅन्डिडेट ऑन अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. इन्फ्लेशन हाचेर ताणें डिबेट करपाचें. आय एम रेडी. गॅस सिलिंडर प्राइस आमी डिबेट करया. पेट्रोल डिझल खंय पावला आमी डिबेट करया. रुपी, व्हॅल्यू ऑफ रुपी vis-a-vis डॉलर डिबेट करया. रोड एक्सिडेंट आमच्या अध्यक्षान सांगला, ऑल्सो तांकां विचारूंक सोदता. सिद्धी नायक रेप एंड मर्डर केस हाचेर आमी डिबेट करया. ओपन डिबेट हे चॅलेंज करता चीफ मिनिस्टराक. दुसरें म्हळ्यार, I have worked in the defense 26 years. I began my service ज्या दिसा हांव भितर सरला, I took oath on the very constitution. हे चीफ मिनिस्टरान आनी बीजेपीन म्हाका सांगपाची गरज ना what is constitution and how the highest respect that I have for the constitution and all the people in armed forces. हे आमकां सांगपाची गरज ना. So we are again throwing this challenge to the chief minister. Come, choose the place, time. खंय येवपाचें पळय आमी येता डिबेटीक on all these issues that we have raised. फक्त मे बी सॅटर्डे रातचो I am excusing the chief minister. सॅटर्डे तुका एक्सक्यूज करता येना. हांव जाणा तूं सॅटर्डे मोरमुगांव कित्याक येता बॅगां उखलपाक पायते. सॅटर्डे तुका सोडटा आनी खंयचोय दीस तुका जाय तो चूज द प्लेस, टायम एंड डे. I will come.
Could you just clarify what you said yesterday and what was the decision?
That is already in open debate. I mean, press note dila and clarified everything. It is in public domain. So तुम्ही full आयकोचो and तुमका self-explanatory. They have picked up certain things and twisted and headlines केला.
Captain, what are your words, exact words you remember?
I am saying it is there in public domain. तुमच्याकडे तुम्ही आणला ते. You have heard it. That will destroy anything what they are trying to put. Twist and turn. Whole thing is there.
Actually, what do you want to say on that? तुका कितें म्हणपाक आशिल्लें जाय आशिल्लें?
Entire thing हांवें सांगला डिबेटान येतले, पब्लीक डिबेटान. आतां सांगलें जाल्यार तो यो मागीर भिवन धांवतलो. I want him to come. लोकां फुडल्यान डिबेट जावपाक जाय नाल्यार तो he will बॅकफुटार घेतलो. तो ऑलरेडी बॅकफुटार गेल्या. म्हूण तशें आमच्या अध्यक्षान सांगला, पडयल्लो घड्याळ काडून आयज प्रेस कॉन्फरन्साक घेवन बसयला.
Captain, you have made the allegation that CM comes there every Saturday to pick up the bags.
Why?
So what is that?
ते राईट टायमार येते. राईट टायमार तो शेनवाराचो रातचो मरमुगांव येवन बॅगां उखलता. त्या खातीर हांव ताका एक्सक्यूज करता. शेनवारा दीस तुका जाय जाल्यार वी कॅन एक्सक्यूज यू. ताजो तो कमिटमेंट आमी डायवर्ट करचे आनी म्हणजे ताका एक एक्सक्यूज घ्या सॅटर्डे रातचो.
And thirdly, you have said that you had taken oath on the constitution, and I think CM also has taken the oath by taking that post on the constitution.
That is the difference between a corrupt politician and a Fauji. I fought in the Kargil war. Even after that, I didn't quit. I fought in 1999, survived. I was awarded a Vijay Star medal. Despite that, I continued for much more longer service till 2017. आणि दुसरे एक तांकां सांगता, प्रधानमंत्रीन सांगला ओव्हर 1 लाख शॉर्टेज आसा आर्मीन म्हूण. तुमचे तर बिगेस्ट पार्टी इन द वर्ल्ड 18 करोड प्लस. अरे धाडा मरे सर्व्हिस करपाक डिफेन्सान. आसा कापासता जाल्यार धाड. लेट्स सी, डू यू ऑल हॅव लव फॉर युअर कंट्री और डू यू ऑल हॅव लव ओनली फॉर ट्विस्टिंग एंड टर्निंग?
I think that this statement which has been made and the complaint which has been filed is completely without thought, and it is first reaction is they know that captain is surely winning, so that is why they want to make him a target now by filing cases. And this is the dirty game of the BJP, which are very famous for doing. File a case and let somebody drag and just bring allegations against people. One thing I want to tell you is that there are two parts in that. One is that he has made a statement about the constitution. Are there not BJP MPs who are trying to say that they will rewrite the constitution? We are hearing them statements in and out every day, where they are claiming that give us the number and we will amend the constitution, rewrite the constitution. What are they talking? Do you expect that a person who has served in the defense for the Navy will ever do such kind of things to be an anti-national or anti-constitution? They talk of the constitution. What constitutional values have they upheld? Violating the 10th schedule in the first place. Large-scale defections across the country. Is that not a violation of the constitution? The governor of Maharashtra was being reprimanded when he has dislodged the Congress alliance government in Maharashtra. What about the governors who were sitting over the bills over the opposition states? Is that not an affront on the constitution? Is it not an affront on the federalism? What about the governor of Kerala who was not sanctioning the money for the government of Kerala? Similar things in Karnataka. You are talking of constitution. What nonsense is you are talking? And you file a case. Election Commission cannot disqualify anyone. Let me make this clear. You could have rejected a form at the time of nomination. Later on, we'll have to see whether it makes out a case or not. You have to read it. Listen to his statement in complete context. You can't take one sentence and try to make a big thing out of that. Second thing in the complaint I put second thing I've seen that they have said that he has spoken about dual citizenship and they have taken offense to that. तुमका याद आसतली की वाजपेयीचं सरकार आशिल्लें तेन्ना LM सिंघवी कमिशन रिपोर्ट आसा तेणे सांगला डायस्पोरा आयकून ते रेकमेंड केला ड्युअल सिटीजनशिप दिवपाक आणि बीजेपी गव्हर्नमेंट सेड वी आर ब्रिंगिंग OCI which is close to dual citizenship, fulfilling the aspirations of these people. 3 म्हयने फाटीं आमचे फॉरेन अफेअर्स मिनिस्टर जयशंकरान कितें म्हणलां, if the issue of dual citizenship is still alive, आहा जाले alive, पूण ते कित्याक बूक करनात? Why are you trying to take this as an issue and try to confuse the people? This is a sign of desperation. And for them, I will ask one simple question. Besides Constitution, don't you respect the Bible? Don't you respect the Bhagavad Gita? And don't you respect the Quran? You take oath on these things and you go and defy it and then you go to file complaint. Do you have any morality left behind to do these kind of things? What about the Tamil Nadu governor who was not swearing in the minister? They had to go to the Supreme Court and Supreme Court to wrap him. Is this not being unconstitutional? And you want to cite these illegal acts, unconstitutional acts, and for these things you want to file a complaint? This is double speak. And I don't believe that there is any merit in this case. Trust me, we will reply when the Election Commission, if at all, it issues a notice, and we will make sure this case is thrown out.
I think प्रधानमंत्री आता खंयतरी I was just आत्ता म्हाका आयला प्रधानमंत्री has reacted on this in some सभा. प्रधानमंत्री येवपाचो आनी प्रधानमंत्री 27 का 28 तारखेक येवपाचो. जे पळय ताणें एव्हरी इयर पळय येवन गोंयकारांक पळय फटयला 2014च्यान जो पळय येता फाटल्या दिसांनी तेन्ना तो मडगांव आयिल्लो. गोंयकारांचे प्रश्न जे आसा पळय ते पयलीं ताणें गोंयांत येवचे पयलीं आन्सर करचे. गोंयचो इशू तूं दुसऱ्या स्टेटीन उलोवन थंय लोकांक मिसगायड करनाका. गोंयचे इशू जे आसा गोंयकाराचे तुवें सांगिल्ले 3 म्हयन्यांनी मायनिंग चालू करता म्हणून. जेन्ना हो प्रधानमंत्री कॅन्डिडेट आशिल्लो हाणें सांगिल्लें स्पेशल स्टेटस दिता म्हणून. ताचेर उलय पयलीं. तूं थंय वचून हांगाचे वर्ड्स ट्विस्ट करून थंय सेन्सेशन करनाका दुसऱ्या राज्यांत. त्या राज्यांतल्या लोकांक मिसगायड करूं नाका. वी कंडेम दिस. I think the BJP state unit of Goa should tell the Prime Minister what is the reality and not give him wrong feeding so that he goes and talks in other states and misguide the people of the country.